Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I've been asked if I'm going to build a interface board for the Retevis RA-87 repeater. Now just to clarify, it's this Retevis model of mobile radio, as you can see on your screen, does have a repeater function built into it. You need two of these radios and you can make them into a full repeater. So am I going to make a plug-and-play interface board for this repeater setup? And to answer that question depends on how many people are interested in this. So I'm going to post a link in the description below, and I'm going to post a link in the comments. I'll pin a comment that will let you sign up to get notified if this becomes available, my interface board. Now, like I said, when you sign up to get notified, that lets me know how many people are interested. If I get enough people interested, then I will build a working prototype. I will make a video and show you it working, and that video will have what it can and cannot do. Okay? Usually I kind of do things backwards, as you have been watching my YouTube channel or my videos. I tend to build a prototype first, then I make this video that I'm making now. Well, I'm going to do things a little differently because it just takes a lot of time to build a prototype, and I can show you boxes of prototypes that I have built, and it just was not enough interest to proceed with that particular product. So I'm going to do it this way first. If I get enough interest, I will build a working prototype, and you'll see it working in a video. Now, you're probably wondering what features are this interface board's going to have. I'm thinking it's going to have features where you can use a computer or not use a computer. What I mean by that is, if you want repeater ID, I'm thinking of having it use an SD card, and it plays an MP3 file. Now, you can make that MP3 file be a message, be your repeater ID or Morse code, or you can make it do both. You can have it say a message and then do your repeater ID and Morse code, and then have it continue with the message. Whatever you set up your MP3 file is what it will be playing over the repeater. I'm also thinking of having it be an option where you can hook up a computer to it if you want to do weather announcements. Now, weather announcements will need a computer, obviously, and internet connection. That will tell you the current weather. So I'm thinking of having that also be on the board. Same with the Zello. Same with the simplex repeater software. All that needs a computer. The simplex repeater software does not need internet connection, but you can do other functions. Play a message every hour or whatever you want to do. So I'm thinking to have it do, hopefully, all of that. So you can use a computer if you want to, or you don't have to if you just want repeater ID and you just pop an SD card and you're done. So that's what I'm thinking. It'll be plug and play for a computer. If you want to use a computer, it will either be a Raspberry. You can use a Raspberry Pi, you can use a mini PC, you can use a laptop, desktop, whatever can run Windows 10, and you will need a USB DB9 for some of those functions. But again, you don't need to use a computer if you just want repeater ID and a short message. So I'm going to post a link. The link is going to go to a store, my store, and you can read about what I just mentioned here on this page. Now, I do want to toss out something out there. If there's a function yet you would like to see added, post in the comments below or shoot me an email. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that, hey, you said this function, I'm going to add it. It just depends on what it is and how much circuitry it's going to take to do that function. Now, I'm going to try, obviously, I want to keep this board as reasonable as possible. So adding functions can make the price go up, little by little. So let's see how much interest I have first. Let's see what functions people do mention in the comments, if any, and then we'll go from there. Now, what I'll do is, if I get enough people to sign up, then I'll start making a prototype, and then I will make a video showing that prototype working. So that's how I'm going to do this. Now, It'd be plug and play. You can use the mic jack on the radio to do this. Now I'm going to give you a little tip here. Some of the functions using a computer, you can take one of my other boards, like my Retevis RT97S interface board, and you can adapt that to probably work on this radio, this repeater. Now, it wouldn't be able to do the Zello part of it, but it should be able to do the repeater ID and the simplex software. Now, I'm not going to get into that video and get into that in this video. If people are interested, I will make a video on how you can make a cable for that. No, again, post it in the comments, and I can show you, because maybe you already have that Retevis interface board. And technically speaking, an adapter could be made to hook it up to the Retevis RA-87 mobile repeater setup. So, like I said, go here, sign up. This will let me know if there's people interested, if they want a separate interface board for this, plug and play. Post down below what your thoughts are. Post it down below, and maybe if I get enough people that, hey, can we make a cable adapter for the other interface board? If I get enough people wanting that, then I'll make a video and show you how to do it. You can make your own adapter. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.